What's up guys, welcome back to Shredcraft RC. I'm Cam and today I'm back here with the WPL D12 drift truck. It's a budget build. So on this budget build I was trying to keep most of the parts stock and they still are. The things that I've done is I put a Dynamite 2-in-1 brushless motor in and the WPL aluminum lower arms, and then I have the WPL metal rear axle and leaf spring helpers. So fairly stock in terms of modifying a cheap budget RTR RC car. Now check out this edit and let me know what you guys think. So I hope you guys liked that little edit. That was the last time I drove it the other night with the brushless motor, and what I noticed is the truck is still very unstable, and I'm sure it's because of the gyro and the steering angle on these wheels for the front end geometry of this truck. So I just wanted to give my thoughts. It's fun for small stuff, but it's not meant to go on track. And I'm sure that people that I've seen have made them pretty high performers and can keep up in the trains on the track and stuff. And I'm sure if I've invested some more time and money into the electronics and suspension tuning, I could probably get this thing to drift pretty well. But in the long run, I don't think it's worth my time to do that because I have other drift cars that are meant for the track. The Rev D RDX is hands down the best budget level RC drift car you can buy. Go to your track and keep up with everyone. Best car to learn with. It's plastic, it has a good alignment, and you can upgrade as you go. Now something like this, you're going to end up investing more money getting it to the level rather than if you just spent the money and bought a rear wheel drive RC drift specific chassis. Now it's fun for what we have here, kind of under $100 in mods, and I think I'm just going to keep it that way. So this may be closing the series out, but I'm sure I'll be making some more videos playing around, maybe using this in some scale scenes as a tire hauler. But I think it's a great piece to add to kind of some videos, and everyone probably should have a D12 in their RC collection because it's become somewhat iconic in the hobby. Now something else that I've always been interested in is these small crawlers. One of my first cars was a SCX24 after the WPL, but this is a Muse Ripper. And I know it's a crawler, not a drift car, but I've gone ahead and put a few upgrades on it. And then it has the Muse Ripper chassis. But I think these things are pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments if you're into SCX24s or TRX4Ms. And maybe I'll make a video explaining what I've done to that thing. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to most that I see there. And yeah, hit the thumbs up if you like what you see, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.